Wide open desert, winding highways, and the deep blue of Lake Mead stretching to the horizon. Captured from above with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, this view really shows the scale and beauty of southern Nevada, where rugged land meets precious water. If you enjoyed this short video and would like to see more, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.